Hey y'all, what's up? Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit. Back to you with another video. This is going to be a quick video. I know. First of all, thank you guys so much for reaching out to me about the credit guide and the 611 credit repair letters and dispute form. Appreciate it. I can't even count how many I've sold. So thank you. If you don't know, you can pick that up for like $1, and then also you have a chance to purchase the credit guide to go with it. But look, I'm just kind of going to walk you through this, guys, real quick. Before I begin, hey, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Make sure you make a comment if you like, and most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think this is information they can use. So hey, welcome. Thanks for being with me today. Real quick, I'm just going to go with this, guys. So when you click the link, you're going to get here. So 611 credit repair letters, and then you'll see this. Okay. Scroll down, fix your credit. Of course, you can read about me and that sort of stuff. A couple of testimonials, but you can either click this button or this button. Okay. So when you click it here, there's been a little bit of confusion about how people are getting their letters, and also how you get them. So anyway, you're going to get here. Okay. Put your information in, put your email address, put your email information in, and hit PayPal. You don't have to have PayPal. It's going to go, PayPal is going to come up, and you can just put your debit or credit card in. You could take advantage of my credit guide for $19.95. Hope you guys picked that up. But I'm just going to fast forward here. So basically, you'll get after you put your order in, you're going to get here. I'll show you something real quick. And I think it's been a little confusing on how you pick up your how you get access to your letters for $1. So look, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this here. So once you get here, this is all you have to do. It's just going to say thank you, and then what you're going to do, you're just going to click the button, you guys, and then you can download it. So it's going to say thanks. Here's your 611 credit repair letters and credit repair form. All you got to do is click it here, guys, and it's going to download. It's going to take you to a PDF screen, and you can download it, print it, whatever you want to do. That's really about it, guys. I just wanted to clear that up. I know a lot of you guys have emailed me and are really excited about the letters and the 611 letters, not the 609, but the 611 letters. And thank you guys so much for all the good comments on the 609 versus the 611 video that I did. Appreciate you guys so much. But look, hey, this was just a quick video to walk you guys through on how to go through the link. Don't forget to pick up the credit guide if you like. It's only $19. Normally I would sell those for about $49. I'm selling for $19.95. Pick that up. You can kind of and your letters and dispute forms are in there also. But it kind of walks you through and gives you a clear picture on how to get your credit and get to the next level. So hey, short video. Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit. During this Corona time, folks, be safe. Wear a mask when you go out. Stay at least 6 feet apart from other people, and take care. Peace, guys.